Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the Your device is missing important security updates error in Windows 11. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and then type services, and then click on it. This will open the services window where all background services are managed. Now find Windows Update and then click on it. This service is responsible for downloading and installing updates. Firstly, set the startup type to automatic. This ensures the service runs automatically whenever your system starts. Then click on Stop, and after it stops, click on Start. This process refreshes the Windows Update service and clears temporary glitches. When it is completed, click on Apply and then OK. After that, close everything and restart your laptop. Now if this does not work, then try the second method. Click on the search bar and then type services again and then click on it. Now find Windows Update and then click on it. Now set the startup type to disabled. Then click on Stop and click on Apply. We are temporarily disabling the service so we can delete corrupted update files. Now open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Now open the C drive. Then find Windows and click on it. Now find SoftwareDistribution and then click on it. This folder stores all Windows Update files, and sometimes these files get corrupted. After this, select all files inside this folder and then delete them. This may take some time depending on the number of files. After this, go back to the previous tab. Now set the startup type back to automatic. Then click on Apply and then click on Start. Now click on OK. After this, close everything. If the issue still does not work, then try the next method. Now click on the search bar and then type Control Panel and then click on it. Now click on Programs. Then click on View Installed Updates. After this, it will open the settings showing recently installed updates. Now find the latest update. Then click on Uninstall. Sometimes a recent update may be corrupted or incompatible, causing this error. Uninstalling it can help resolve the issue. After completing all these steps, your update problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.